Hello everyone. So in today's video, I'll show you guys on how to add a playlist on TikTok. So first, when you open your TikTok app, there should be an option right here that will allow you to add a playlist. But if it's not there, I'll show you guys another way. So first, click on the three lines right here at the top right corner. Go to settings and privacy. Scroll down until you see support and about and click on report a problem. Scroll down until you see videos and sounds. Click on that. Scroll down again until you see other. Click on other. Click on other again. And then press need more help. Once you're there, type that you cannot create a playlist. I cannot create a playlist, and that we don't have enough followers. And then once you're done, click on submit. And then all you have to do now is wait until TikTok support team is gonna reply to your message. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to create a playlist on your TikTok. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.